this, man.
Bryce with Pookie Gang. We're here at the Militia Car Club meet in Lombard, Illinois. I got Burger King.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. This is Pookie Clips, episode 2. Electric Boogaloo.
Or is it 3?
2.
There's 2.
Yeah. But as you can see,
we out
there's
here.
some nice stuff out here. Marquise is on camera, obviously.
Hey, y'all.
Once everybody sees the camera, let me get back.
Damn.
Once everybody sees a camera,
I care about you
they start acting up. So let's get to the clips. Even though we've already seen a fuck ton already. But bye. What you say?
Right here, bro. Oh, brother. My F-body. Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, GM. And that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't care about nothing else in this lineup now.
Give you a bite if you do a burnout.
I want no nasty ass Burger King. Oh man, the Buick, boy. That's 5th gen practicing karate because he's chopping.
I ain't always gotta be the cameraman. Shit. What's up, y'all? How y'all feeling? I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes because I ain't got no long sleeve shirt on. But you see what I am wearing though, right? That's all I gotta say.
That's
Hey, Daddy!
Yeah, Daddy! I can't wait for my car to be back. Oh, dude, that cam and everything in it. The shop where I'm taking Susan emailed me today saying I can bring her in basically a week early. Obviously, yeah, I'll catch you there. So obviously, I'm gonna jump on that and get her in. Tow truck's here, all good, she's on the way. Marquise is down the street. So we're gonna catch up with this after we get some gas because there's never any gas in his car. but I can't wait. So it's a good day. They said that they'll probably be able to tune it, so we'll be able to hear it. I don't have the money to get it out today, sadly, because y'all don't like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I don't have money, but it's almost time. It's literally happening. It's happening right now, people. So if you're just as excited as me to see my car get on that dyno today, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll get back to you once Marquise is here and we start driving to catch up with my car. Until then, Pookie out. Here at BC Speed Shop. Well, that's what the email says, but I guess it's called Gearheads Auto. But Susan is here. I'm around good people. If you look around just briefly, nothing but CTA, Corvettes, just General Motors magic is going on here. They said they might be able to tune Susan today. I hope so. I'll wait here until they say it's not happening today. But they said if it's not today, tomorrow. So I just can't wait. Marquise is more than likely. Well, you have to leave. So you're gonna leave.
Not just yet.
But it's happening. I dropped my car off May 20th. It is August 1st. And it's finally happening. We will all finally hear Susan run again. Stay tuned. That's fucking nice.